Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge plumbing tools that will make your job faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a pro plumber or a DIY enthusiast, these are the must-have tools for 2025. Let's get started.
Number 1. The WORKPRO PEX Cutter is a versatile and high-quality tool designed to simplify cutting tasks for both homeowners and professionals. It features a cutting mechanism capable of handling pipe diameters, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1 5/8 inches, making it suitable for materials like PEX, PPR, PE, PP, and rubber hoses. Its unique design allows for precise cuts at specific angles of 30 and 45 degrees, meeting a variety of needs. The cutter can easily manage round tubes when the stand is flat and can handle square or rectangular tubes by folding the stand. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy steel body, it offers high strength and excellent toughness, while the blade, made of 7KR17 MOV steel, resists rust, bending, and breaking, ensuring even and accurate cuts without deviation. The spring-loaded mechanism enhances efficiency, allowing for quicker positioning and easy one-hand operation, making it a convenient and time-saving tool. Despite its robust design, the lightweight aluminum alloy body reduces fatigue during extended use. This cutter is ideal for plumbing tasks, household maintenance, and even automotive repairs. Combining reliability, precision, and versatility, the WORKPRO PEX Cutter is an excellent addition to any toolkit, delivering exceptional performance across multiple applications. Number 2. The broken pipe extractor tool is designed to simplify the process of removing damaged or stuck screws, bolts, and water pipes. To use it, insert the tool into the damaged pipe and rotate it using the handle. If rotating becomes difficult, a wrench can be used initially to loosen the pipe before completing the task with the handle. This tool, paired with a wrench, ensures efficient and hassle-free extraction. Its multifunctional handle is thoughtfully designed to function both as a manual unscrewing tool and as a wrench, offering flexibility and ease of use. The ergonomic grip enhances control and comfort, while the inclusion of wear-resistant gloves makes it convenient to operate even in cramped or challenging spaces. Constructed from high-carbon steel, this tool is highly durable and undergoes heat treatment for exceptional wear resistance, maintaining its performance even under tough conditions. It is specifically designed to handle screws and bolts in pipes of 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes, making it ideal for various pipeline maintenance tasks. With its ability to remove and clean broken wires efficiently, this tool significantly reduces effort and saves time, ensuring reliable results for both professionals and homeowners tackling plumbing challenges. Number 3. The Toolant 7-inch plier wrench is built to handle demanding tasks with ease and precision. Crafted from CRV steel, it delivers exceptional strength and durability, making it ideal for tackling tough jobs. The zinc phosphate surface treatment adds superior corrosion resistance, ensuring a long-lasting tool even in challenging environments. With a maximum jaw capacity of 1.5 inches, this wrench is versatile enough to screw nuts, secure pipes, and even break iron blocks, giving you the ability to manage a wide range of applications efficiently. The innovative 10-to-1 lever design minimizes effort, letting you complete tasks quickly while reducing strain. Its ergonomic handle is thoughtfully contoured to match the natural shape of the hand, providing comfort during extended use. This wrench is equipped with a quick and self-adjusting jaw mechanism that streamlines operation. With the push-lock button, adjusting the jaw size is swift and precise, while the groove lock mechanism ensures stability throughout the job. The parallel smooth jaws enhance grip, reducing the risk of rounding fasteners and boosting overall efficiency. Whether for home use or professional settings, the Toolant plier wrench is a reliable companion that combines advanced functionality with user-friendly features to tackle various tasks effectively. Number 4. The Rigid Flex Shaft K9102 Plus Drain Cleaning Machine is designed to simplify and enhance the process of clearing drains in pipes, ranging from 1 1/4 to 2 inches in diameter. This compact and lightweight tool is a smaller, highly portable version of the Flex Shaft machine, making it ideal for professionals who need efficiency and convenience on the job. It comes equipped with a 50-foot cable housed inside a durable nylon sheath, which adds flexibility and protection during use. The machine's design allows for quicker setup and cleanup, saving valuable time. Its efficiency doesn't stop at its build. The K9102 Plus provides cordless functionality, allowing the operator to move freely without the limitations of cords or cables. This is especially useful in tight or hard-to-reach spaces where maneuverability is key. The tool's cleaning capabilities are enhanced by the enclosed cable design, which ensures smooth and consistent operation. Whether you're dealing with minor blockages or significant obstructions, this machine offers reliable performance. Designed with plumbers and maintenance professionals in mind, it combines power, portability, and precision. The rigid flex shaft K9 102 Plus is an essential tool for those who prioritize time efficiency and top-tier results in drain cleaning tasks. Number 5. The Duratec 3-in-1 Plumber Wrench and 4-way Silcock Key Set is a practical and versatile addition to any toolbox. Made from reliable steel, the tools are built to last with a matte finish that enhances corrosion resistance and ensures extended durability. The 3-in-1 Plumber Wrench combines 3 tools into one, featuring a 15/16-inch open-end wrench, a 9/16-inch open-end wrench, and a 12-point box wrench. This unique design allows the 2 separate wrenches to fit together into a single tool, offering more options while reducing the number of tools you need to carry. The set also includes a 4-way Silcock key, which is ideal for various utility tasks. It features 4 different specifications: 1/4 inch, 9/32 inch, 5/16 inch, and 11/32 inch, and is compact enough to fit in your hand or bag, measuring just over 3 inches in size. The plumber wrench is highly functional for tasks involving straight stops, appliance legs, shower heads, faucet nuts, and toilet bowl bolts. Meanwhile, the Silcock key is perfect for controlling water usage and can be used for spigots, electric, and elevator maintenance. Together, this set provides a convenient, multi-purpose solution for both professional and DIY projects. Number 6. The Max Power 14-inch Pipe Wrench is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify a wide range of plumbing and maintenance tasks. Its robust design includes a ductile cast iron handle, combined with a Chiarmo steel jaw, offering remarkable strength, toughness, and durability for long-term use. With a pipe capacity of 0.7 to 2 inches and a length of 14 inches, this wrench is suitable for fixing both small and large pipes, screws, nuts, and various other components. Weighing 1.8 kilograms, it balances sturdiness with manageable weight for ease of operation. This pipe wrench features self-adjusting, non-slip jaws that enable quick and secure connections and releases, making tasks more efficient. The spring-loaded jaw design allows rapid ratcheting without the need to remove the tool from the pipe or nut, ensuring smooth and labor-saving operation. Its ergonomic design enables comfortable one-hand usage, reducing effort and enhancing productivity. The Max Power Pipe Wrench is suitable for diverse applications, including automobiles, oil filters, glue joints, shower heads, fuel filters, PVC junctions, faucets, water filters, sinks, and taps. This multifunctional tool combines durability, precision, and user-friendly features to meet the demands of both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts effectively. Number 7. The Superior Tool Basin. Buddy Faucet Nut Wrench is a highly functional and versatile tool designed for plumbing tasks that involve removing and installing nuts in hard-to-reach spaces. Its unique slots are specifically designed to grab lock nut wings securely without damaging or breaking them, ensuring an efficient and hassle-free process. This universal tool is compatible with most metal lock nuts, coupling nuts, PVC lock nuts, and both metal and plastic toilet supply nuts, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. The wrench features a cutaway design that allows it to fit around existing supply lines, making it easier to remove coupling nuts without the need to dismantle the surrounding setup. Once the coupling nut is removed, the tool's cutaway section also fits perfectly around faucet shanks, enabling the removal of metal and plastic nuts with minimal effort. It is designed to work with both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch ratchet drives and includes an adapter for added convenience. Compact yet highly efficient, this tool is built for durability and precision, making it an essential addition to any plumbing toolkit. Its ability to accommodate different nut types and sizes makes it particularly useful for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts, tackling various repair and installation projects.
Number 8. The PVC Fitting Saver is an innovative and practical tool designed to remove old pipes from solvent-welded fittings quickly and effortlessly, saving both time and money. Featuring a 2-in-1 design, it includes an adjustable carbide cutter secured by 2 screws, which can be switched between 1.5-inch and 2-inch sizes for versatility and economical use. Additionally, 2 guide discs ensure accurate center cutting and help stop cutting at the proper depth. The tool is compatible with half-inch standard and high-torque cordless drills, making it suitable for various applications. This PVC reamer is a great solution for repairing cracked fittings without replacing the entire section of the pipe. It works efficiently with Schedule 40 PVC, CPVC, and ABS ventilation, drain, and water pipes, although it is not recommended for Schedule 80 pipes. The carbide cutting insert offers sharp and controlled cutting with 4-sided edges that can be rotated before use to provide 3 extra cutting surfaces when needed. Built from CNC machined anodized aluminum alloy and a stainless steel hex key shaft, this fitting saver is unbreakable, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability and longer service life even in damp working environments, making it a reliable tool for plumbing projects. Number 9. The WORKPRO 3-pieces tubing cutter set is an efficient and versatile tool set designed for clean and precise cutting of copper, aluminum, brass, and plastic pipes. This set includes a large tubing cutter, a mini tubing cutter, and a deburring tool, making it a comprehensive solution for various pipe cutting needs. The large tubing cutter handles pipes with diameters ranging from 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inches and thicknesses up to 0.13 inches. The mini tubing cutter is suitable for smaller pipes with diameters of 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch and a maximum thickness of 0.1 inches, ensuring flexibility for different tasks. Both tubing cutters feature ball-bearing rollers that reduce friction, resulting in cleaner cuts and faster operation. Additionally, the cutters are equipped with ultra-sharp wheels that make the cutting process smoother and more efficient. The included deburring tool, with blades made of high-speed steel, is ideal for removing burrs and smoothing edges, ensuring a professional finish. Designed for user convenience, the cutters are built with large ergonomic knobs that provide a secure grip and allow more force to be applied during cutting. This set is a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for precision and ease in pipe cutting tasks.
Number 10, the VEVOR Sewer Camera is an advanced inspection tool that simplifies the process of diagnosing and analyzing sewer lines, home drains, ducts, and plumbing systems. It features a 9-inch 720-pixel LCD screen that delivers clear and reliable images, making it easier to check the condition of pipes. This camera is compatible with pipe diameters ranging from 0.98 to 5.91 inches for straight pipes and 1.97 to 5.91 inches for right-angle pipes, ensuring versatility across various applications. With a 1-megapixel camera and a 130-degree inspection angle, it captures detailed visuals even in hard-to-reach spaces. The camera is built with durable materials like a 303 stainless steel housing and a sapphire lens, offering protection against crashes and corrosion. Equipped with 12 adjustable LED lights, it illuminates dark areas effectively. The 300-foot semi-rigid cable ensures smooth feeding through pipes or gaps, while length markings help estimate depth with precision. A cable reel is included for easy organization and transport. It also features a DVR and photo-taking functions for recording and saving project data on a 16GB SD card. Powered by a 4,500 mAh lithium battery, it offers up to 6 hours of continuous use, making it a reliable and efficient tool for plumbing professionals.
Number 11. Teflon tape is an essential tool for preventing water or gas leaks in threaded pipe connections, making it a must-have for plumbing tasks. Each roll measures 1/2 inch in width and 520 inches in length, providing ample tape for multiple uses and ensuring long-lasting value. Its primary purpose is to create a secure seal in threaded joints, reducing the risk of leaks and improving the reliability of plumbing systems. This versatile tape is widely used in homes and offices, offering a simple yet effective solution for maintaining water and gas flow efficiency. Made from PTFE material, Teflon tape is highly durable and provides excellent sealing properties. Its resistance to wear and environmental factors ensures reliable performance over time. It is particularly useful for applications involving shower heads, water pipes, and other fixtures where tight, leak-free connections are critical. Teflon tape is easy to apply, requiring users to wrap it around the threads of a pipe before connecting, creating a seamless and airtight fit. Its versatility and dependability make it a valuable addition to any toolkit, whether for professional plumbers or DIY enthusiasts handling repairs and installations at home.
Number 12. The 110-volt electric automatic pipe cutting machine is designed for rapid and precise cutting of pipes with diameters ranging from 40 to 250 millimeters, 1.6 to 9.8 inches. This fully automatic gas cutting machine is ideal for working with steel, galvanized, plastic-lined, and iron pipes, making it indispensable for pipeline construction in fire protection, building works, water supply systems, and mining applications. Its efficient cutting capabilities allow professionals to complete tasks with ease and speed. The machine features a 3-eccentric roller precision guide system, which includes 2 guide wheels and 6 eccentric rollers. This design ensures accurate cutting and significantly enhances precision. Its adjustable arched clamping mechanism provides stability by accommodating a wide range of pipe sizes, while the inner support ensures secure positioning during operation. Equipped with 93 HRA ultrafine alloy tungsten steel saw blades, it delivers smooth cuts without the need for additional grinding. The blades also boast a high bending strength coefficient of 1500 MPa, ensuring durability and performance. For efficient operation, the machine is fitted with 4 roller bases that allow 360-degree free rotation, improving cutting efficiency. The adjustable protective cover offers increased safety by enclosing the cutting area, making this machine a reliable and versatile tool for demanding industrial and construction projects.